Time to get after it. Looks like we got DDT 14 is running pretty good. Car number 5. Oh, started in the white flag out. The white flag is out on car number 11. One with another one just like it. We've got another white flag out on 46. We've got white flags and we're starting to pick on gold members. There we go. Okay, DDT 14 just lost a gear, maybe a transmission, we're not sure what else. Oh, look out, you wanted to play, you gotta pay. That's what I'm talking about. Gold member, just one out there. Okay, car number 5 is losing a little bit of metal out there. Here we go, gold member going for another round. We're gonna bounce and push. Oh, the sidewalk. Oh, now you just made him mad. Oh, you better be like a hornet because you just made Bruce Curtis Wood upset. That's Logan Patrick. He's gonna put the hurt on you right there on the corner. You're gonna stand still the man down with you. You get a little quick from the front on you. But it looks like car number 22 has shortcut into the size of a Prius. All right, watch yourself. Let's get to the orange door. Remember, no orange, no orange. Is getting a little hot under the collar. Well, formerly known as the Prius is now stuck out of the center lane. Oh, he's got 233 has a white flag on Logan Pageant. There we go, we're in it. Oh, not quite. And 22 got enough coolant going back through there again to make himself known. That's what I'm talking about now. That's a hit. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All the power he needs out there today. Lee Hughes put the hurt on him. Dylan Wood trying to pack the lumber, but that's not working out. We got another car hard under the collar. Looks like the only one not sitting his Hughes out there is going to be number 5, Lee Hughes. Okay, come on. Dylan Wood, if you got power, you get out of there. Put a little reverse on the lumber. Oh, you don't do it, looks like. Double box, and it's coming in. There's a kill shot. That's right, Lee Hughes, he's going to get in. The tornado just put him down. The lumber company just took a little bit of a short break. He got a little more gumption under his hood. Everybody's on the clock. He just went out, he's out. Lee Hughes from the 5 is out. White flag, white flag. We've got 2 cars left to go. In heat number 2, we're going to pull a head on. Just don't pull a hammy.
And smoking or steaming.
All right, it looks like we've got 3 sauna rooms out there. If anybody wants to lose a little weight, you can jump into one of those cars. Restarting. It looks like we do have PB. Double down dog. 214. Dylan Wood. Yeah, that was a good practice shot. Good fake.
Hey!
Might be the first den of the day. Yeah, no, you're just playing with them, really. You're not doing anything at all. You got to get going about 250 feet and then smash into him. No, seriously, Bo, you got to pull forward. Now, Bo, listen to me real closely here. I know exactly what, I used to coach this in high school. Okay, so you pull ahead, Bo, go right up to that log, and then you put it in reverse, and you kind of slide your foot off the side of the clutch. Go, keep going, Bo, keep going. I'll tell you when to stop, okay? And, well, stop right there, Bo. That'd be a good place to stop. Okay, now, Bo, listen to me. Now, Bo, you want to start your car. You want to put it in reverse, Bo. You want to rev your engine, and then you want to go after them just to the right or the front of that orange door compartment. Come on, Bo, you can do it. Okay, Bo, you're really not listening here, Bo. Listen, I'm going to tell you this one more time, Bo. Bo, you're stuck, Bo. Bo, you're stuck. All right, so here's the deal. Bo's down.
That's good.
Bo's still mad about his time trial run of 2 hours and 46 minutes. The time trial. Yeah, the one that's going on record is the longest time trial ever in Sherman County. Anyhow, okay, Bo, just let it rest, man. Just let it rest. We're done. Heat number 2 is over. And guess what? It is old number 22, Bo Vasquez. He might have been long in the time trial, but he is number 1 in our hearts in heat number 2.